I'm on the hunt for the perfect snare sound. Monster Snare Kit. So Tama sent me 11 of their best snares. Oh, and they already had two, so 13 snares. And today I'm building a monster kit with all these snares, and I have no idea if this is the best idea I've ever had or the worst idea, and it's gonna sound horrible. I'm pretty sure that's not what Tama intended me to do by saying, give these snares a try. Let's find out. All right, they're all here. How do I get there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 Monster Snare Kit. This is the 50-year anniversary acrylic snare. I can hear the 80s call. I have no idea what they actually sent me. Whoa, this one is heavy. I'm not sure which one this is. We'll figure it out. It looks nice. Tama Superstar. So this is a reissue of the old school Tama steel snare drum. Oh, I love steel snare drum. This might be one of my favorites. And oh my god, what is this? This one is big. 15-inch it looks like. What are you? Star Reserve. All right, almost everything is unboxed. Let's get some snare stands and do a little test round. Alright, I've got them all set up. We've got a lot of cool snares. Mostly Star Reserve snares. So, top line of Tama. I'm really curious. I was like, these snares look very pretty. Very carefully, almost dropped it. But it's okay. So yeah, let's figure out how they sound. Alright, we've got some pretty cool snares. I don't know if this is genius or just stupid. Let's build the monster kit that I promised you. Let's see if this is gonna work. This one's pretty crazy. Look at this. Okay folks, let's do some raw iPhone sound. I don't even know how to get there. I was thinking of taking the snares off for a moment, just to hear how the drums actually sound. Doesn't really seem like the best idea, so I'm gonna tune them, see if I can make them sound good together.
A few moments later.
There's a few that sound pretty cool together. Alright, so I spent some time playing with the snares. Let me put the snares on and see what happens. Alright, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure that's not what Tama intended me to do by saying, give these snares a try. I'd say not a huge success, but it was definitely a lot of fun making this video, playing with all these snare drums. In the next series of the Snare Lab, I'm gonna take all of these snares separately, give them a run, do a review, and play with them in all these different tunings and different songs to see which snare is actually the best. So stay tuned for 11 episodes of the Snare Lab. See you in the next one. Let's just do it.